I was not expecting this to show up so soon. Check this out, boys. Whoa. Okay, so we gotta figure out how to get this box actually inside. Don't worry, guys, I got it. If the editor wouldn't mind zooming in on my forearms, though, I'm lifting. Okay, I cannot see. Oh! You're fine, you're fine, stop complaining. We have some bad news about the Dream Supercar Garage. We're gonna have to redesign the entire thing. I know, trust me, I know, I'm triggered too. Build your dream house, they said. It'd be fun, they said. I'd reckon they're wrong. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog, and welcome back to another perfect day here in the beautiful state of Utah. This is not really a video that I'm very excited to, or not, the video I'm excited, the topic I'm not very excited to talk about. I actually was not going to. A lot of you guys are aware, but a week ago, Shmi 150 was in town. We went to In-N-Out in the Aventador, and some juvenile delinquent decided he needed to take a photo standing on top of my Lamborghini Aventador, and then he had the audacity to post it on Instagram, as you do, and he tagged me. Life Apollos made a video calling him out. He got a bunch of hate. He deleted the photo. He actually sent me a message apologizing, and then 2 days ago, he reposted the photo as his Instagram profile photo, proving that he doesn't feel any remorse whatsoever. And so, today's video, we are going to be inspecting the damages. I don't want to make this a bigger deal than it really is, but it is frustrating. I mean, it's an expensive carbon fiber hood, and if there is damages, I probably won't pursue legal charges. He probably just needed the photo for Bumble, and so you can't blame him. I mean, you can't blame a guy. Well, no. Don't do it. There's a handful of scratches in this area. I doubt they show through on camera, but then also the hood is misaligned. You can see that body gap right there, how it's not completely flush. That was not like that before he stood on the car. I doubt the carbon fiber is cracked. I think it would show through on the vinyl, but just to be safe, we're gonna unwrap it. So we gotta move the limo and then get the Aventador out in the sun. We're gonna let the Aventador bake under the sun. That vinyl will be so much easier to remove. In the meantime, I wonder what's in that box. Yes, I know what it is. It's not for the Ferrari and it's not for the Mustang. It is for the Supra. I just realized it's 1 p.m. We need to meet Josh in the Viper ACR at 1:30. We gotta unwrap the hood on the Aventador, so we don't really have time. Maybe tomorrow or the next vlog. Sorry, next vlog, tonight. I was expecting the exposed carbon fiber to look way better, but with the camo, there's so many like mismatched lines everywhere, but thankfully the carbon fiber is totally fine as expected. We will need to rewrap it though because it doesn't look very good. I mean, it does, but it doesn't. I was kind of sort of hoping the carbon fiber looked better with the camouflage. It doesn't look very good. There's like all these mismatched lines in every single direction. Should we leave it exposed or should we rewrap it? Let me know what you think in the comments below. I should point out that the kid who stood on the car, he did offer to pay me $500 to cover the damages. So because I would have to pay, you know, Clayton and Faith a couple $100 to rewrap it, but I just don't really want to have the conversation with the guy. I don't know. It doesn't look very good though. Anyways, we got to meet up with Josh in the Viper ACR. We need to be there in 5 minutes and it's about a 20-minute drive, so we're not going to make it on time. I know I just said that we're late, but I got one more thing to say. Recently in the news, there were 3 kids caught standing on the hood of a Ferrari, California, and they caused $6,000 in damage. I know when I was in high school, I didn't have $6,000, and those kids are liable for that. Luckily for the kid here in Utah, there's no damages, so he's like kind of off the hook. I've purposely hidden his name, his identity. If you know his Instagram profile, please don't send him any hate. At the end of it, it's just a car. Like it's not that big of a deal. It is frustrating, but I'm not that mad about it. It's just a possession. It's nothing, in the grand scheme of life, it is not important. However, we are very late, so we gotta roll. We got a Viper ACR. Wait, we're headed this way. My buddy Josh just texted me. He's like, so we're gonna still bring out the Viper ACR, but do you mind if we bring out the Lamborghini Huracan also? And obviously, yeah, that's okay, Josh. We don't mind the Huracan. I don't know if we can bring the Huracan, bro. It's a Lambo. I don't know if it's worthy, you know?
It's worthy. You can do plenty.
1,000 horsepower, just casual. Okay, here's the Lamborghini in question. I wasn't sure if it was gonna be adequate, but I think that'll do. But Downforce Nation, oh, US built too. God bless America. Am I right? God bless America. Viper ACR. So we're gonna take the Huracan and the Viper to Eagle Mountain with this guy, Josh. You can hold that smile. It's gonna be a good day, boys. We were in Kansas like 4 days ago, and I was saying how I've never even been in a Viper, and now we have the keys to a Viper ACR. Oh yes, we're bringing the Lambo too. It's like usually the Lambo, obviously, but today it's all about the Viper. I don't know a ton about the Viper ACR, but this is like a track day weapon. It's got this massive, massive full carbon wing. Oh, it's gonna be a good day, boys. The goal is to set the track record. I don't know if we're going to, but that's the goal. Obviously, I'm not a very good driver, and it's not my car, so I want to go full send, but I'll probably go like 9/10 full send. The Viper ACR. This is so sick. This is one of the most underappreciated cars. We got the 6-speed manual. Okay, so we're not doing a spin class today. There will be no spinning today. No accidental spins either. If we do spin, it'd be on purpose, but we're not gonna do that either. No! Okay, that was 55, 5-5. That's a good looking Lambo though. Take a moment and pray for the front splitter. We're good. I'm just kidding, Josh. We're totally fine. I was over exaggerating for the vlog. We're fine. We're off-roading a Viper ACR right now. I know there's a lot of Dodge executives who are rolling their eyes wondering how in the world did I get the keys to a Viper ACR, but don't worry, don't fret. Bruno is here. Bruno's a very good driver. He is gonna pay respect to the Viper ACR in a way that I never could. So he's gonna do his first like practice session in the rear-wheel drive Huracan. Hop in the Huracan with Bruno, and he's gonna show us how to actually drive because I'm not very good. Oh my gosh! I've been around that corner before as a truck. Okay, Bruno's pretty good. He's a good driver. Hold on, boys. Jeez, this is a rear-wheel drive Huracan. That back end is just shaking and baking. Ooh. Okay, wow. Whoa, whoa, whoa! I'm trying to hold the camera steady. Okay, that was 100 miles an hour right there. I need to learn how to drive like that. I'm still like in this mental fog right now. I'm trying to keep down my lunch. Originally, I was gonna do a hot lap in the ACR, and then Bruno was gonna do a hot lap. We were gonna compare and contrast times, but I'm not sure I wanna be embarrassed that bad. That was absolutely insane. Massive shout out to 4 Horsemen Racing for lending the Huracan and the Viper ACR. Massive shout out to Blinker Fluid. Go follow them both, links below. So the tentative plan, I'm gonna do a hot lap in the Viper ACR. Then Bruno's gonna do a hot lap in the Viper ACR, and we're just gonna prove how bad of a driver I am. So, yeah, and then Bruno's gonna go out in the Huracan as well and try to set a track record in one of these two cars. 580 horsepower, 635. This is a rear-wheel drive Huracan. The Viper's obviously rear-wheel drive as well, but Gareth Nation, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. I tried to downshift into first gear right there, and then I was not in gear. And then I tried to then go to first, and I went into third gear. Oh, I wasn't though.
Even with all those mistakes, you still got 113.
Ooh.
You're so close.
So can I go again? Is that allowed? Can I go again?
You know,
Josh, yes?
We have time.
We have time.
Yeah, we have time.
We got 5 minutes.
Give me some good news.
There it is.
Oh.
That's 110.
That's my fastest. It's not the track record. So now Bruno's gonna go and show us what's up.
Yeah. Killer, dude. Killer job, James.
Dude, Bruno is a madman. I decided to get out of the car because I'm screaming like a little girl. Obviously, it's distracting, and we want him to do the best he can do. Yeah, anyways, that was inspiring. That was pretty inspirational, what I just said. You see that shot I just got you? I was risking my life just for you guys, the viewers. What did he do? 107.86?
Oh,
Dude,
okay.
Bruno's just out here embarrassing all of us. 3 seconds, that is huge in racing.
You think that was worse or better?
I don't know, I messed up my gearing again.
Mr. Humble.
I don't know.
messed up your gearing.
I really did.
It was a 114.
This is what you do when you
Look at those! Did you see those wide eyes? Are you kidding me?
So this is what you do when you mess up your gearing.
Okay. Better.
Oh, a lot better.
He's humble. There's definitely some room for improvement there.
109.5. Okay, we're good.
Let's try it.
Launch control initiated. That was pretty good.
That was really good. There we go. There we go. Nice, nice. There you go. There you go. There you go. Nice, nice, nice. Fine. The apex and the apex. There you go. There you go. There you go. Yeah.
This car is so insane. Oh my gosh.
It's so
We're doing a good lap, Josh.
This is a really good one.
This is the one.
This is a really
if
good
Bruno
one.
was here, he wouldn't be happy. Can I see that line?
No, it's okay. That's good. That's fine.
I appreciate the cheerleading.
You're doing fine. This is where it matters. This is where it matters. There you go. Yeah. There we go. Atta boy. This is a good one. This is a really good one.
Bruno told me to
Hit the red one. Yeah, I mean,
This is the lap.
this is it. This is it. There's no way.
Yes. That was 109.9 for sure.
That has to
I
be
can't
it.
beat that lap.
That has to be it.
108.3. 108.3. Yes. I'm done. I can't recreate that.
Very
nice.
All right.
I'm out. Utah's just out here flexing on the nation. We're chasing views on views, driving a Viper ACR. Are you kidding me? If you live in California, don't come to Utah. Like, please, actually. Please don't come here. I don't know if it gets more American than this, driving an ACR. This is such a sick garage. All right, dude, absolute hero. But don't worry, we got an 8.4 liter V10. Just wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. I want this car. Don't quote me on this, but I think a Viper ACR is like 135 grand. This is so much different than any other car I own. It's just rowdy and rambunctious, as Josh said. I'm not saying I'm gonna buy a Viper right now, but someday definitely. Okay, so we are headed to the Focus and then we're headed home. Some days are just good days, and that was a good day. Oh, that was a good day. Every time I see that limo, like, it's just so stupid, but so cool at the same time. What an absolutely epic day. The Viper ACR, that car is so underrated. It is so fast. It is so confidence inspiring also with all that downforce. Imagine a Viper, a 4GT, and the C8 Corvette all in the same garage. Can I get a God Bless America? That would be sick. Anyways, as always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.